How are you mga kadami? Today we are here again at Papa Rabbitry for the second time, and I'll be showcasing to you the second menu that I have prepared for the Rabbit Vlog Fest. If you don't know the first one, the first part, I have prepared the rabbit sushi, and now this time I'm preparing another dish for this Vlog Fest. So this is the actual entrance wherein we were accommodated, and Papa Rabbitry have provided to us a free t-shirt, and of course as well as very delicious meal that they have ready for all the visitors. So since we are early, we arrived early, let's have a breakfast. So for breakfast, we have puto or the rice cake, and as well as kapeng barako. We call it brewed coffee of Batangas. And of course, we have the very delicious suman or rice cake, something like that in English. I will be placing the link of the first part of the Vlog Fest, which contains how to prepare rabbit meat sushi. For updated videos, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. They also prepared a rescaldo for breakfast. Let's eat! As first step, we need to clean the rabbit meat. For the second dish for this vlog fest, I decided to cook special hamonadong rabbit. So we chopped the rabbit meat into the size according to the hamonado. And these are the ingredients that we're going to use in preparing or cooking hamonado. First, we put ample amount of oil at the cooking pan. Then put the chopped potatoes. If you have also chopped carrot, you may also put it at the pan and fry it together with the potato. Now let us set aside the fried potato. And on another pan, let's prepare the other ingredients. Let's put oil and then put the onion, chopped onion. Then let's add the chopped garlic. I removed the fried potatoes to give way in frying the rabbit meat. Prior to the vlog fest, I marinated the rabbit meat, about 1 kilo of rabbit meat, in pineapple juice, pepper, and a little bit of soy sauce. This method is optional, but I prefer to fry the rabbit meat so that the flavor will come out even more. Muna dito. Gagamitin.
Hindi naman po siya matagal palambutin.
Hindi naman. Ang ano niya, pag kinain mo siya, para siyang pork, baboy, parang baboy. Native na chicken saka baboy. Yung lasa niya, I have added 1 can of liver spread and saute it together with the onion and the garlic. Now I have added the bell pepper, as well as the chopped carrots. Then I added about 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I also added about half teaspoon of garlic powder. Then I combine the rabbit meat with the mixed vegetables, onion, and garlic.
Happy tummy. Happy tummy. Pilipina. Ito naman ang hungry tummy.
I wanted it to be more spicy, so I added red chili. In addition, I also added chili powder. Then I added the fried potatoes. Next is I added the diced tomatoes. Then I added about 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. Then I add the green peas. I put back the marinated sauce. Hamonado is a general term for savory dishes marinated or cooked with pineapple in the Philippines. Eating rabbit meat is not yet that popular among Filipinos, and the industry of rabbit is now introducing the nutritious facts that can be obtained in eating rabbit meat, and it is being promoted so that everybody would know why it is a good alternative for pork. Next is I add about 1 tablespoon of pickles. Not too much because it will cause sourness. Then add about 200 grams of tomato sauce. Add also about 200 grams of pineapple tidbits. Add about 1 tablespoon of sugar. I want it to be spicy, so I added red chili powder again. And then I also added grated cheese. I am thankful that I was part of this activity, and I really enjoyed cooking. I met a lot of new friends, new vloggers in the industry of rabbitry. Add about 25 grams of raisin. Then let it simmer until tender. And it's done.
Shoutout daw po kay James Allen.
Hello, James Allen. Kaya mo naman.
Sobrang saya niya po nakita niya kayo. Thank you po.
There are also other vloggers that are cooking aside from me, and they have cooked lechong rabbit or rabichon, and as well as tinolang rabbit. Again, I would like to thank Mr. Rolando Balbacal, the entrepreneur of Papa Rabbitry and Negosyo Philippines, as well as to Ms. Faye Balbacal for giving me the chance to be part of this Rabbit Vlog Fest. Kasi na-invite kami dito. Actually, nung last week, kami umattend ng seminar dito sa Papa Rabbitry. So, isang malaking karangalan na makakasama dito sa Vlog Fest. And thankful ako kay Sir Roland kasi naimbitahan sa event na ito. Ang channel name ko ay Happy Tummy Filipina. I'm showcasing different Filipino dishes. I-promote ang rabbit meat dishes. Kasi bibira pa lang yung nagawa ng cooking na ang main na meat na ginagamit ay rabbit. So,
I would also like to acknowledge the vloggers that have been part of this event as well, and I will link their channel name at the description box. Thank you for watching!
Sa happy ano nga ma'am? Promotion natin. Yan, happy tummy, Pilipinas.
Ito yung Hamonado? Tama ba? Galang sana magustuhan niya.
Ma'am, ano yung ano ma'am? Ano nga yung ating anong ito?
Rabbit meat sushi and Hamonado rabbit. Ako, lamon lang, lamon.